Hello, and welcome to Recover360 Total Shoulder Health. My name is Terrance Sgroi, and I'm a sports physical therapist specializing in shoulder rehabilitation. First off, congratulations on taking the next step in your recovery journey. This program is designed to provide you with expert guidance, customized support, and all the tools you need to recover from your total shoulder replacement surgery. We're excited to introduce a tech-savvy approach to recovery that integrates physical therapy, nutrition, and wellness tracking. Throughout this program, you will receive weekly check-ins with me or one of our dedicated therapists. These 30-minute sessions will allow us to assess your progress, adjust your exercises, and discuss your recovery metrics, including sleep quality, nutrition habits, and overall well-being. You'll have access to a tracking log to record your sleep, activity, and steps, as well as nutrition. By combining traditional rehab with holistic wellness support, we'll work together to restore your shoulder strength, optimize your recovery, and enhance your overall health, returning you to those activities that you love. We're here to support you every step of the way. Thank you again for signing up, and let's get started on this journey to a stronger, healthier you.